So here we are at yet again another Fisherman's Market here at the harbor in Oceanside. And today we had an opportunity to watch one of the masters do his thing.
Today we demoed local yellowtail, California sheepshead, some rockfish, and sardines, one of my favorites. Had a lot of fun, met some cool people, and cool people got to meet cool fishermen, which is what it's all about. So get down here, get here before it runs out, and come buy some fish.
So keep in mind, it's every Sunday from 8 to 2 until they run out, which today, which is awesome. They ran out now, they're starting to pack up and it's like 12:30. So the support's awesome. The products are amazing. Once a month, Chef's gonna have a demo taking place. So look for on their Instagram. You know, we got a bunch of people doing a bunch of cool stuff. So come see us.